Welcome to Narayana Online Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss some basic problems of matrices only. Is it clear? Let us move to the first question. If A equal to 1 by 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 1, then A is what? Means which matrix that one? That we are going to discuss. Now, A is this one. A is equal to 1 by 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 1. Now I will write A transpose. A transpose means transpose you will get for matrix only. 1 by 3, this is nothing but 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 1. Is it clear? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 1. That is transpose. Now I will write what is A transpose. A transpose equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. I am writing directly 1 by 9 only. Now I will do the product only. Here only we are seeing that A transpose. First row, first column. 1 into 1, 1, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 1, that will become 9 only. Now once you observe that 1 into 2, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 4, that will become 0 only. Is it clear? First row, third column, 2 minus 4 plus 2, again that will be 0 only. Second row, first column, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 4, that will become 0 only. 2 to the 4 plus 1 plus 4, that will become 9 only. Second row, third column, 4 minus 2 minus 2. That will become, what is that? 0 only. Third row, first column, 2 minus 4 plus 2, that will become 0 only. 2 to the 4 minus 2 minus 2, that will become 0 only. 2 to the 4 minus 2 into minus 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, that is 9 only you will get. Once you observe that one. If you take 9 common, this is I only, you will get 1 by 9 of that 9 means nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 we are getting. That is nothing but I only. So we got A transpose equal to I. Similarly, you can get A transpose A is also I you will get. Therefore, what you can write once you check this one, A is orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. If the condition satisfying A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to I, that A is called orthogonal matrix only. What is A? They are asking. A is orthogonal matrix. Like this you can solve the problem. Let us move to the next question. 3A plus 4B transpose is given. 2B minus 3A transpose was given. Then what is B? Now, I will do first of all this 3A plus 4B transpose, whole transpose I will write. 3A plus 4B transpose, whole transpose. Transpose of this one means what you can get? This can be written as 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31. You know very well transpose, how to write the transpose of a matrix. Is it clear? Row will become column. Is it clear or not? Now, 3A transpose. This we will get 3A transpose plus 4B transpose whole transpose is nothing but B transpose whole transpose is B only. We will get it as 4B only. That is equal to 7, 0, minus 10, 6, 17, 31 only. Already we are having that 2B minus 3A transpose. 2B minus 3A transpose is equal to what we are having? Minus 1, 18, 4, minus 6, minus 5, minus 7 only. Now, this is 1, this is 2. Adding 1 and 2, what we will get once you observe that one. Now, I will write that one. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, you will get, you see this one, 3A transpose minus 3A transpose will be get cancelled. 4B plus 2B, what you will get? 6B is equal to what you will get once you observe that one. You see, adding these two, 7 minus 1, adding these two means this is a 3 by 2 matrix, this is also a 3 by 2 matrix only, you can add that corresponding elements only. 7 minus 1, 6, 0 plus 18, 18. 6, 18 is this is the first row, is it clear? Next, second row, minus 10 plus 4, minus 6, 6 minus 6, 0 only. So, minus 6, 0 you will get, is it clear? Minus 6, 0. Next, what thing you will get once you observe that one? 17 minus 5, 17 minus 5, 12, 31 minus 7, 24. 12, 24 you will get. 12, 24. Now, once you observe that one, 6B is this one, they are asking to find the B value only. Now, B is equal to what you will get, you see. 6, 18 minus 6, 0, 12, 24 divided by 6. Every element is, individual element is divisible by 6 only. This is 1 you will get. 18 by 6, 3 you will get. This is minus 1 you will get. 0, this is 2, this one is 4. Which option is correct once you check this one? Now, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. 1, 3, minus 1, 0, this is minus 2, minus 4. 1, 3, 1, 0 is there, wrong. 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, comma 4. Sorry, 2, 4. 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4 is there. So, that's what, this is the right answer only. Like this, you can solve the problem. Let us move to the next question. Is it clear? Now, P was given root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, A equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, Q equal to P A P transpose, and X is equal to P transpose Q power 2015 into P. Then X is what? Now, I will do P into P transpose. Means, what you will get once you check this one? P into P transpose. Or I will do that P transpose into P. P transpose means what is that? Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Easy transpose once you observe that one. So, this root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 into what is that? This is P root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. Is it clear? Now, what you will get once you check this one? P transpose into P. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is nothing but 1 you will get. Now, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, this will become 0 only. Now, 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, this will become 0 only. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 3 by 4, this will become 1 only. 1, 0, 0, 1 we are getting, that is nothing but I. P transpose into P is equal to, we got it as I only. Now, once you observe that one, here Q is there. Q is there, I am finding Q square. Now, what is Q square? Q square is nothing but PA transpose into PA transpose. Q square is nothing but Q into Q only, directly I am writing. Now, you see P transpose P, Q square equal to P, P transpose P is I. I into A, what you will get? A only you will get. So, A into A, that you will get A square, that is P transpose. So, Q square is equal to P A square P transpose we are getting. Similarly, you can write Q power 2015 is nothing but P A to the power of 2015 P transpose. Just you observe carefully this one. Q square is equal to, I got P A square P transpose. Similarly, I am writing Q power 2015 P A power 2015 P transpose I got. Now, what they are asking? X they are asking. Now, X is equal to, what we will get once we will check that. X equal to P transpose, now Q power 2015. What is Q power 2015? P A power 2015 P transpose. P A power 2015 P transpose. Now P transpose. Now you see P transpose, this total thing is Q power 2015 I wrote into P already there, that one. You see what is P transpose P? I only. P transpose P, I only. I into I square. I square is I into A power 2015 is nothing but what you will get? X equal to A to the power of 2015 we got. They are asking to find X only. Is it clear? Now once you check this one, A square is equal to what you will get? 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now A square is nothing but first row, first column, 1, this is 0, 1 only. First row, second column, 1 plus 1, that is 2 you will get. 0, this is 0, this one is 0 only you will get. 0, this is 1. You see this one. A is nothing but 1, 1, 0, 1. A square is 1, 2, 0, 1. A cube is 1, 3, 0, 1 you will get. Like that, A to the power of 2015 is nothing but what you will get once you observe that one. 1, 2015, 0, 1 you will get. Is it clear? 1, 2015, 0, 1 is the answer. Why? Because our X is A to the power of 2015 only. They are asking to find X only. This is only X. Is it clear or not? This is only X only. Once you observe that one, A power 2015 is X only. 1, 2015, 0, 1. Which option is correct? Once you check this one, 1, 2015, 0, 1. First option is itself correct only. Is it clear? So, like this you have to solve the problem. Okay, now these type of problems are very important for JEE mains only. Now let us move to the next question. A is a 3 by 4 matrix. Now once you check this one, A order is 3 by 4. Is it clear? A transpose order we will write. Now B is a matrix such that A transpose B and B A transpose are both are defined given. I am taking B is nothing but M by N matrix. I don't know the order, I am taking M by N matrix only. Now A transpose is nothing but A transpose matrix. A transpose is nothing but what you will get once you observe that one. This is nothing but 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now already B is there. A transpose B possible. A transpose B means order should be what you will get once you check this one. A transpose B means you can get that one. You see A transpose is 4 by 3. This 3 and M should be equal. A transpose B, when it is conformable, this number of columns in A transpose is equal to number of rows in capital B only. So that's what, this is 4 by 3, that is M by N only. So from this one, if it is conformable, M is equal to, I am writing 3. Now let us write the other thing only. After that we can write M and N values only. Next one is, what is that? B transpose. Now B transpose, B A transpose. Now B is M by N A transpose is nothing but what is that? 3 by 4 only. A transpose is nothing but 4 by 3. A transpose is 4 by 3. So A transpose is 4 by 3. You can get that one 4 by 3. When this matrix multiplication is conformable, this n and this one should be equal only. Why? Because number of columns in B, number of rows in A transpose should be equal. Here also A transpose B means what is that? A transpose is 4 by 3, B is nothing but m by n only. You see, these two should be equal. Therefore, m is equal to, we are getting 3 only, n is equal to, we are getting 4 only. Is it clear or not? Now, we took that one, that is m by n is a matrix only. Just you observe that one, A is 3 by 4, B is m by n, A transpose is 4 by 3, A transpose B means A transpose 4 by 3, this is m by n, these two should be equal, m equal to 3. B A transpose was given, B m by n, A transpose is 4 by 3, these two should be equal, n equal to 4, m equal to 3, n equal to 4. B order is nothing but what you will get once you observe that one, this is 3 by 4 matrix only. That is 3 rows, 4 columns matrix. First option 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. This 3 by 4 matrix is correct only. That is the right answer only. Is it clear? Like this you can convey the problem. Let us move to the next question. Now, this was given r plus 4, 6, 3, r plus 3, that is equal to transpose was given. Transpose means directly this column you can write it as row 5, r plus 5, r plus 2, this is 4. It is a transpose of that RHS one. Now, equate that one, corresponding elements, r plus 4 equal to 5, r equal to 1. Is it clear? Now, r plus 5 is equal to, r plus 4 is equal to 5, r is equal to 1. Here 6 equal to, what we are getting? R plus 5. Again, r is equal to 6 minus 5, what you will get? 1 only. R plus 2 is equal to 3, r equal to 1. R plus 3 equal to 4, r equal to again 1. Always what you will get? R equal to 1 only you will get. Corresponding elements if you equal, you will get the answer only. Equality of matrices. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. Now, A is given, B is given, find A plus B transpose. I will write A is equal to minus 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, minus 5. Now, this B transpose is equal to, B transpose means 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 4, minus 1, 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 5. A plus B transpose is what? Now, this is a 2 by 3 matrix, this is a 2 by 3 matrix, you can add the two matrices only. A plus B transpose is nothing but minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 only. Adding only, now 1 plus 4, that is 5. 0 minus of 1, that is minus 1. 3 plus 2, this is 5. 4 plus 3, this is 7 only. Minus 5 plus 5, that is 0. Just you observe, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, minus 5 plus 5, 0. This is only A plus B transpose only. A plus B transpose is this only. Let us move to the next question. Now, A is equal to minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Then find A transpose. Do A and A transpose commute with respect to the multiplication of matrices? That commutative law we have to verify. Commutative law means A transpose equal to A transpose A. Whether you get that one or not, once you have to check that one. First of all, I will write that A is equal to nothing but minus 1, 2, 0, 1. A transpose is equal to minus 1, 0, 2, 1 only. Is it clear? Now, A transpose. A transpose is nothing but what you will get once you observe that one. First row, first column, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, plus 4, that is 5 only. First row, second column, 0, this is 2, 2 only. Second row, first column, 0, 1 into 2, that is 2 only you will get. Is it clear? Next, 0, 1 into 1, 1 you will get. Now, this A transpose. Find A transpose, I asked. Already we got that one. Now, A transpose is equal to, what is that? Minus 1. Now, I will write A transpose A. A transpose A I will do. What we will get once we observe that one? Now, A transpose A. A transpose A. Already we got A transpose. A transpose A means what is that? Minus 1, 0, 2, 1. If you write clearly like that, easily you can multiply 0, 1 only. That is equal to what you will get. See, A transpose is minus 1, 0, 2, 1. A is nothing but minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Now, A transpose into A. First row, first column, minus 1 into minus 1. That is nothing but what you can get, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 0, this is 1 only. First row, second column, minus 2, this is 0, minus 2 we are getting. See, first row, first column, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, this is 0, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, this is 0, minus 2. Second row, first column, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, this is 0, minus 2 only. Second row, second column, 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5 only. 1 minus 2 minus 2, 5. Now, once you check this one, A transpose A, both equal. A transpose is not equal to A transpose A. Now, is it commutative? Commutative law is nothing but what is that? AB equal to BA we can write. But here, always in the matrix multiplication, not possible like that. Always not possible. Here, A into A transpose, we got a 2 by 2 matrix only, 5, 2, 2, 1. A transpose A equal to 1 minus 2 minus 2, 5 we got. So, A transpose is not equal to A transpose A only. They are asking to find A transpose. Do A and A transpose commutative law with respect to multiplication? No, A transpose is not equal to A transpose A we are getting. So, that is what? It is not satisfying the commutative law only. Let us move to the next question. AB was given, find AB transpose whole transpose. Now, A is nothing but what is that? 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 5. B transpose is nothing but minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 2. You write the order of the matrix. This is a 2 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 2 matrix. Now, AB transpose, what you will get? You observe that AB transpose is nothing but, you will get that two by 2 matrix only. AB transpose is nothing but, product is nothing but a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, first row, first column, 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0. You will get minus 2 only. First row, second column, 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into minus 2, you will get that is minus 2 only. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 1, plus 1, 1 into 1, plus 1, 2, 5 into 0, 0. This is 2 only. Second row, second column, 0, 1 into 1, 1, minus 10. 1 into minus 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. 1 minus 10, what you will get? Minus 9 you will get. So, that is what? Minus 2, minus 2, 2 minus 9 only. Is it clear or not? Now, then after what we will get? You see, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2. Second row, first column 1, 1, 2, 5 into 0, 0 only. Second row, second column 0, 1 into 1, 1, minus 10, minus 9. Now we got AB transpose, but AB transpose, whole transpose is what? Transpose means what is that? This column can be written as row only minus 2, 2. And this column as row minus 2, 9 you can write. So you can get minus 2, 2, minus 2, 9 you will get. AB transpose, whole transpose, they are asking. AB transpose is this one only. Whole transpose, again we will get minus 2, 2. Is it clear? Minus 2, minus 2, this is minus 9 only. You see, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 9 only, not plus 9 only. That is minus 9 only. Is it clear? Now, AB transpose, whole transpose is minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 9. This is a final answer only. Let us move to the next question. Now, A is given, B is given, 2A plus B transpose, 3B transpose minus A, we have to find. Now, here I am finding what is required, 2A is required. 2A is nothing but, here you see, minus 4, 2, 10, 0, minus 2, this is 8 only. Just you multiply every element with 2 only, minus 4, 2, 10, 0, minus 2, 8 we got. Now B transpose is what? B transpose is nothing but minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. 4, 0, 2. Now 2A plus B transpose is equal to what? Now you add these two things, what we will get? 2A plus B transpose. Minus 4 minus 2, you will get it as minus 6 only. 2 plus 4, that is plus 6 only. 10 plus 3, 13. 0 plus 0, 0 only. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 8 plus 2, that is 10 only. Now once you observe that one, minus 6, 6, 13, 0, minus 1 and 10 only. So this is a 2A plus B transpose. I will do 3B transpose minus A next. Now 3B transpose. B transpose is nothing but, you see, B transpose is nothing but minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. Is it clear? 3B transpose is required. Now 3B transpose, you see, minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. 3B transpose means minus 6, 3, 4, 12, 9, 0, 3, this is 6 only. Is it clear? Now once you observe that one. Now I got 3B transpose like that. Now then after what I will do means A. Here is A is there. What is A? Minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4 only. Now 3B transpose minus A. What you will get once you do? Minus 6 minus of minus 2. Minus 6 minus of minus 2 means what is that? Plus 2. That will become minus 4. 12 minus 1. That is 11 only. 9 minus 5. 4 only. 0 minus 0. 0 only. 3 minus of minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1 plus 4 only. Now 6 minus 4. That is 2 only. Once you observe again, 3B transpose, this only, minus A. Now, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4, 12 minus 1, 11, 9 minus 5, 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus of minus 1, plus 4, 6 minus 4, that is 2 only. So, this is 3B transpose minus A. Is it clear? So, this is the final answer. Let us move to the next question. A was given, what is A plus A transpose and A transpose. Now, A is this one. A is nothing but 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3. A transpose is nothing but 2 minus 5 minus 4, 3. Now I will write A plus A transpose. You see this one. A plus A transpose means 2 plus 2. That is 4. Minus 4 minus 5. Minus 9. Minus 5 minus 4. Minus 9. 3 plus 3. That is 6 only. Just you observe that one. A plus A transpose. 2 plus 2, 4, minus 9, 6 only we got. Now, after that they are asking to find A transpose. A transpose means first row, first column. 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus minus 4 into minus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, that is 20. First row, second column. 2 into minus 5, minus 10, minus 12. Minus 22 only. Here second row first column minus 10 minus 12 minus 10 minus 12 minus 22. Second row second column minus 5 into minus 5 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 that is 34. This is A transpose only. Now A plus A transpose and A transpose we get like this only. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. Cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Show that A transpose A equal to I. Now, A transpose I am writing. Cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Transpose is nothing but cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha only. Now you see. Now cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Shall I write directly? First row, first column. This is 1. Otherwise we will write that one clearly. Is it clear? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Is it clear? First row, second column, cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. You see this one. Is it clear? First row, first column we got like that. First row, second column minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Second row, first column minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha. Now minus to minus plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha only. Now positive thing, negative thing will we get cancelled? 1, 0, 0, 1 we got. Similarly, we can get A transpose A is, this is I only. A transpose equal to I we got. Similarly, if you do reversely also, what you will get? A transpose A is equal to I you will get. Now only in this session only we discussed about that one. A transpose is equal to A transpose A equal to, we got I only. This A is orthogonal matrix only. A transpose that is equal to A transpose A is equal to, we got it as I only. So like this you can solve the things only. Let us move to the next question. Now A is given, B is given, 3 by 3 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. 3A minus 4B transpose is required. Now I am writing 3A. 3A is nothing but 3, 15, multiply with 3, 3, 15, 9, this is 6, 12, 0, 9, minus 3, this is minus 15. 3, 15, 9, 6, 12, 0, 9, minus 3, minus 15 only. Now, I will write B transpose. What is B transpose? B transpose is required. B transpose is nothing but what you will get once you observe that one. B transpose is 2, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 0, 5, 0 only. Now, I will write 4B transpose also. 4B transpose means what is that? 4 times of B transpose. 4 2 ja 8. This is 0. This is 4. Minus 4 minus 8 plus 8 only. Is it clear or not? 8 0 4 minus 4 minus 8 8 only. This is 0 0 20. Is it clear? This is 0 1. Once you observe that one, 3A minus 4B transpose is equal to what is that? This one minus this one. 3A minus 4B transpose means 3 minus 8. 3A minus 4B transpose. 3 minus 8 minus 5. 15 minus 0, that is 15. 9 minus 4, 5 only. Now 6 minus of minus 4. 6 minus of minus 4, 10 only. 12 minus of minus 8, that is 20 only. 0 minus 8, minus 8 only. 9 minus 0, 9. Minus 3, minus 20. Minus 3, minus 20, minus 23. Minus 15, minus 0, minus 15. Once again you check that one, things only. 3 minus 8, minus 5, 15 minus 0, 15, 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus of minus 4, 10, 12 plus 8, 20, 0 minus 8, minus 8, 9 minus 0, 9, minus 3, minus 20, minus 23, minus 15, 0, minus 15. So, 3A minus 4B transpose is what? This is the answer. Minus 5, 15, 5, 10, 20, minus 8, 9, minus 23, minus 15. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us move to the next question. Now, A was given, B was given. Find AB transpose, BA transpose. Now, A is equal to 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. Now I will write B transpose. What is B transpose? B transpose is nothing but minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 1 2 0. You observe that one. AB transpose. This is a 3 by 2 matrix. This is nothing but a 2 by 3 matrix only. Order should be a 3 by 3 matrix only you will get. Now once you observe that one, A, B transpose is equal to what you will get? A 3 by 3 matrix. First row, first column. 7 into minus 2, minus 14 plus 2. 7 into minus 2, minus 14 plus 2, minus 12 you will get. First row, second column. 7 4 ja. 28 minus 4, that is 24 only. Now, 28 minus 4, that is 24. First row, third column, minus 7 plus 0. 7 into minus 1, minus 7, 0, minus 7. Next, second row, first column, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, this is 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will become 0, 1. Second row, second column, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, plus 2, 2 ja, plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, what you will get? Again 0 only. Second row, third column, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, plus 0. That is nothing but 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, 2 into 0, 0, that is plus 1. Third row, first column, minus 10, minus 3. Minus 10 minus 3, what you will get? Minus 13. Third row, second column, 5 4 ja 20, 3 2 ja 6. 20 plus 6, 26 only. Now last row, last column, minus 5 plus 0. 5 into minus 1, minus 5 plus 3 into 0, 0 only. That is minus 5 you will get. So, it is a 3 by 3 matrix we got. Is it clear or not? Minus 12, 24, minus 7, 0, 0, 1, minus 13, 26, minus 5. A 3 by 3 matrix we got. This is AB transpose. Now, I will do BA transpose. Now, B is equal to what you will get? Minus 2, minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 0. Minus 2, minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 0. A transpose is required. A transpose is nothing but what is that? 7, minus 1, 5. Minus 2, 2, 3. You see, 7 minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 3. It is a 3 by 2 matrix only. This is a 2 by 3 matrix only. The resultant matrix is nothing but 3 by 3 only you will get. I will write BA transpose. Now, BA transpose. First row, first column. Minus 2 into 7, minus 14 plus 2. Minus 14 plus 2, you will get minus 12 only. First row, second column, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, minus 2, you will get 0 only. You see, plus 2, minus 2, that is 0. First row, last column, minus 10, minus 3, that is minus 13 only. Now, second row, first column, 4, 7, 28 minus 4. 28 minus 4, that is 24. Second row, second column, minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0 only. Now, second row, third column. Second row, third column, 4, 5 is 20 plus 2, 3 is 6. 26 we are getting. 20 plus 6, 26. Third row, first column, minus 1 into 7, minus 7, this is 0, minus 7 you will get. So, third row, second column, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, 0, this is 1 only. Now, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, this is 0, this is minus 5 only, you will get like this only. Just you observe that one. Previously, we got minus 12, 24, minus 7, 0, 0, 1, minus 13, 26, minus 5. Here, minus 12, 0, minus 13, 24, 0, 26, minus 7, 1, minus 5. AB transpose and BA transpose we find like that one. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. A is given, B is given. Verify that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now, A plus B, A is given 3 root 3 2. 3 root 3 2. This is 4 2 0. B is nothing but 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Now A plus B I am going to find. A plus B is nothing but what you will get. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. Now, I will write what is A plus B whole transpose. A plus B whole transpose is nothing but 5 root 3 minus 1, 4, 5, 4, 4. Is it clear? A plus B transpose I got like that one. Now, I will do A transpose, after that B transpose. Now, A transpose is equal to 3 root 3 2, 4, 2, 0. B transpose is nothing but what you will get. 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Now, A transpose plus B transpose. Now, A transpose plus B transpose, 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 4, that is 4. Once you check this one. 5, 5. Root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4. Previously, whatever we get 1. 5, 5. Root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4. So, 5, 5. Root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4. Here also, 5, 5. Root 3 minus 1, 4, 4, 4 only. Same thing we got. Therefore, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. We got that answer only. Is it clear? So, let us move to the next question. Now, A was given like this only. Then what is A transpose? Now, A is nothing but A is equal to 3, 2, 4, 1, 0, root 7. A transpose is equal to, now this column as row you can write, that is nothing but 3, 4, 0, 2, 1, root 7. Is it clear or not? Now A is 3, 2, 4, 1, 0, root 7. What is A transpose? 3, 4, 0, 2, 1, root 7. Is it clear? Now, this is the end of the session only. Thank you very much.